Hi everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today's video, we're going to talk about the best credit repair software that uses artificial intelligence or AI. If your credit has held you back from getting whether a personal credit card, personal loan, or if you're even a business owner, you've had credit issues that have prevented you from getting the best rates, the best offers, or high credit limit approvals, then this video we're going to share with you how to do it yourself using artificial intelligence when it comes to repairing your personal credit. What I'm really excited to share with you for the first time ever is we're making this available to all of you at no cost. There's no cost for this software. It's absolutely free. The only requirement for you is to connect your 3 credit bureau and 3 score report so the software can do its work. So I'm going to share with you in this video how to sign up, how to register for your credit repair software, how to connect your 3 credit bureau report, and we're going to share with you a little of the inner workings of the software itself in action and how it actually works. So let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go to our website, businesscreditbuilders.org. All you're going to do is click on AI Credit Repair right here. This will take you to our AI Credit Pro software page. Now, before you get started, what I do highly recommend for you is to watch this demo video right here. It's about 7 minutes long, but it goes into really kind of the inner workings of the actual software, how it works. It's a great video to give you some information on how it works, how we came about offering this software available to you. So definitely watch that video. This gives you a little bit of information on the actual software itself. So let me share with you what you need to do next to get started. Is you're going to click on this tab that says Get Started. So all you're going to do is put your basic information here, your first name, your last name, email, and password, and that is going to create an account for you. When you add your profile, you're going to get to the credit report screen right here. So when you get to that credit report screen, it's going to want you to connect your credit report. Okay, like I said, you want to watch that demo video first, but in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit on the back, the actual dashboard of the software, how it works, some of the inner workings. But the critical component is connecting your credit report. So like I said, registering for the software is free. Using it is absolutely free. But the way for the software to actually work is you have to connect your credit reports, your 3 bureau reports and credit scores. So the software, the actual credit report provider, SmartCredit, is going to import automatically. You don't have to do anything there. It imports your credit report into this AI Credit Pro software, and the software is then going to pull all your credit data into the software for you. And the best part about that is every month, as you're obviously paying your subscription to your 3 credit bureau and 3 credit score report, is it automatically uploads that new report into the software. So when you're submitting disputes, the software is able to show you the results of those disputes, which ones are updated, which ones have been deleted, etc. So that's what you want to do is you're going to enroll in the SmartCredit Build Report service, which is $39.99 a month. So you're going to subscribe to that 3 credit bureau, 3 score report. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this screen right here, and you'll see in your software that your credit bureau, it takes a couple minutes for it to populate and download into your software, your 3 credit bureaus and 3 credit scores. But what I encourage you to do next is to watch this Let's Get Started video. So I'll give you a little information right there. So let me take you to the screen. Once you log in, it's going to your dashboard right here. So, okay, what I want to point out real quick though is if you don't connect your 3 credit bureau report and scores through SmartCredit into your software, anytime you log into the software, you're going to see this screen when you log in. It's going to tell you right here to connect your 3 credit bureau report to activate your AI Credit Pro's automated dispute features. Okay, so you still can log in and look at the tutorial section. You can look at I'm going to go over the resources that we have in the software, but in order for this software to actually work, you have to connect a 3 bureau report and score through SmartCredit, because that's the only way the software is going to be to analyze your credit reports, create disputes for you, etc. So you will see this screen if you don't connect your SmartCredit 3 credit bureau subscription. And once you create that SmartCredit subscription and then your credit reports are uploaded into the software, you're going to see a screen like this. It's going to share with you what your credit scores are. And this is a demo screen for you so you can actually see what you're going to experience once you subscribe, you register for the software, and you connect your SmartCredit subscription to the software. It lists your credit scores right here so you'll know where you stand, and every month that your credit bureaus are updated and once you submit your credit dispute documents, it's going to show your score range, and you'll be able to see how your credit scores have improved. So you'll see right here, it has pulled each of your credit bureau accounts, your Experian, your TransUnion, and Equifax account. It's also going to pull your public records, and it's also going to pull your inquiries. I want to give you a real quick rundown of what how the dashboard actually works. So you're going to see here a little outline of your dispute plan, your credit scores, create dispute letters, when you set your letters out. It also gives you your subscription right here. It shows that you're active with your SmartCredit subscription. It's going to list all of your accounts right here that the software has identified. You're positive, you repaired your accounts, which is going to show obviously every month that your credit bureaus are being updated, your deleted accounts, the ones that you're disputing, your negative accounts. And it also lists your public records and your inquiries. This is a breakdown here. Then you'll see there's also some credit offers right here. If you're looking to rebuild your credit, it also lists some credit builder credit cards you can get while you're repairing your credit. Other thing I want to share with you that's really, really important is to also go through the tutorial section right here. We have some quick start videos right here that you want to listen to that kind of goes through the credit repair process, from getting started to creating your dispute documents, to receiving your updates. And we also have some coaching videos down here that help you further not only start rebuilding your good personal credit, but also maintaining your good personal credit. So we have all these coaching, and then our resource section is right here. In our resource section, these are just sample letters for you, but in here we have a credit card funding, max loan funding, and build business credit. So what is that? As you're going through the credit repair process, your credit scores are going up, you're seeing items deleted, and now you're in a position, let's say you want to start maximizing your funding potential now that your credit's repaired. So you also heard me in many videos, we talk about our business credit card funding program. We have credit card funding, loan funding. We have ways for you to build business credit for those of you who are business owners. But here you can pre-qualify. So once you repaired your credit, you want to see what type of credit card limits can I acquire now that my credit's repaired. You can click on here and it'll get you the steps on how to pre-qualify. We don't pull your credit. This is a soft pull only. You can also even provide your credit bureau report that you receive from SmartCredit. So we accept that as well for a pre-qual review. Maximum loan funding, if you're looking to get funding, whether it's to start a new business or you're trying to get a large loan, let's say you're trying to do some other type of projects, we also do loan funding for you. Or if you're looking for other ways to build up your business credit, you're repairing your personal credit, but you also want to build up your company's credit if you're a business owner, then definitely check out our business credit building system right here. So let's go back to the dispute process to share with you a little bit in details of how this actually works. So for example, you have your 3 credit bureaus right here. Let's talk about the credit items are all listed here. So on your TransUnion, you'll see it lists all the red are all your negative accounts that the software's pulled out of your credit bureau. The green are the positive. At any time, you can basically itemize and say, I just want to see what's positive, and then you can click positive right here. I only want to see negative. So then this will just list all your negative accounts with your TransUnion, and also it'll do the same thing with Experian and Equifax. So the software is pulling out all that negative data, and as you know, with a credit report, there's a lot of code in there, there's a lot of items, and for you to decipher, well, what's negative on my report, what's hurting my credit score, this software does all the work for you. What's really exciting here is when you're ready to create a dispute with your software, where it says create a TransUnion dispute, okay? And you'll see right here, it's listed all your negatives, and you pull this down and it shows the actual count, why it's negative right here. And the software, the artificial intelligence is analyzing what's the best approach to dispute this. And what's really neat about this is you can customize your dispute if you don't like the one that the software is recommending to you. But depending on what you want to dispute, you just click all the ones. Let's say you want to click all of them, but you can select all the ones that you want to dispute. And you can see what the suggested reasons are on each single one. Now, what's really unique about the software is on your first dispute cycle, once you submit those letters out, when the credit bureaus update and the new updated report is submitted into your software, what's neat is now it populates all the updates in the software. So you'll see which items have been deleted, which ones have been repaired, which ones have remained on your credit report. So when you process your next dispute cycle, artificial intelligence will create a new dispute strategy based on the previous dispute, which is really, really powerful. Okay, when you go to the second part here, you're gonna add your dispute reason. So you'll see the reason is already added in here. And the beauty of this is you have full control of the dispute process. So you could use the AI recommended dispute, or you could create a custom reason, or you can approach a different strategy if you want. But the AI has recommended this, so you click save right here. Okay, so you save this dispute, then you want to go to the next one. And let's say you just do all the same thing, you just validated these two. And now you said, yep, let's save that one as well. So you've confirmed all the disputes. Now you go to finish. Experian dispute as well as Equifax dispute and start the process for those two bureaus. What happens though is now your letters have been sent to your email. So you download or print out those letters and you're gonna mail those disputes out. Okay, with that instructions that you get in your email. One thing I want to point out for you, as you know, there's plenty of ways for you to submit disputes. There's mail services out there. I highly recommend that you do not use mail services to send your disputes out. You want to use your own stamp because of where it's postmarked. Your postmark says where it's being sent, your location, and the date. Okay, so credit bureaus know if you're using a mailing service, so you want to make sure you are sending the disputes out yourself. It just makes your disputes much more effective because it's coming from you. All right, so this is the really exciting part of the software. I'm really just touching the surface of how the software works. I highly encourage you to watch that demonstration video because it's very, very effective. And we're really excited to make this available to all of you in the public, especially those of you who are business owners and let's say you came to us for funding and let's say you had some credit issues, we couldn't give you a funding projection. You now have a way to attack the issues on your credit report, submit disputes, and then also with this artificial intelligence it takes all the hard work out of it because you're able to see the results. It populates automatically for you right here. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So for those of you who haven't checked out our website before, make sure you check it out at businesscreditbuilders.org. With that, make it a great day and we'll talk to you real soon.